Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Kia Optima headlight. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal as a safety step. Remove any plastic covers or clips along the top of the bumper using a trim tool and keep all fasteners organized. Open the hood and locate the headlight retaining bolts, preparing a magnetic tray to hold hardware as you work carefully. Begin by removing the bumper screws and clips to gain clear access to the headlight mounting points, working methodically from one side to the other. Use a socket and extension to remove the visible top and side bolts, taking care not to strip fasteners. Once loose, slightly pull the bumper outward to expose any hidden clips or bolts, and note each fastener location so reinstalling is straightforward and stress-free. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more practical car repair guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes post-garage cleanup a breeze with voice control and smart navigation, and it's perfect when you're finished with greasy hands and a messy floor. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With bolts removed, gently support the headlight assembly and unplug the wiring harness and any accessory connectors before fully extracting it. Carefully slide the assembly forward while watching for remaining clips, then lift it clear and place it on a padded surface to prevent scratches. Inspect bulbs, sockets, and wiring for corrosion or damage, replacing any suspect parts, and transfer needed components to the new headlight before positioning it back into place for reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.